Automation reducing the technical task. It means the person who lead, communicate better and also solve the real world problem. So that person can be a kind of asset to the company and you can be after watching this video. Because in this video, I will going to talk about top 5 soft skills that you need to master in 2025 to land your dream job. And as well as I will also tell you 3 practical steps to master that specific skill. So let's begin without any further ado. So number 1 skill that you need to master, that is effective communication. Now what does that mean by the effective communication? Effective communication means your ability to convey your message, your thoughts, your ideas in a way so that other can understand and as well as attentively responding to your speech. That is the effective communication. Now how you can improve that soft skills? Number 1, record yourself explaining the simple topics daily. Do this practice. Number 2, join college presentations or debates. If you got any opportunities to participate in debate competitions, do that. Number 3, talk to strangers in English or in your native language to build the confidence. Okay, so by following these 3 steps, definitely after 1 month, you will see a sudden change in your communication, in your effective communication. Number 2 skill that you need to master, that is teamwork. Now what does that mean by the teamwork? Teamwork means you are working cooperatively and respectfully to others. It means in a teamwork you need to leveraging everyone's strengths. If you have that teamwork skill in you, it means you are leveraging everyone's strengths to build a project, to build something that is valuable for the organization. Now how you can build that teamwork? Number 1, volunteer for group activities. Number 2, in college, if you have any task, so divide that task fairly and appreciate others. Number 3, learn to listen before speaking. Number 3 is very important. If you can understand, if you can learn the art of listening, definitely by the time your number 1 skill, that is effective communication, and number 2 skill, that is teamwork, gradually by the time automatically improve. Let's talk about the number 3 skills that you need to master, that is leadership. Now what does it mean by the leadership? Leadership means guiding and influencing others toward a common goal. So by setting a positive example. Now how you can improve that number 1 skill, that is leadership. Because in every organization, whether you are a company owner, whether you are an employee in any company, or whether you want to get job, leadership is the number 1 skill that you need to master. So how you can improve that leadership skills? Number 1, lead a small group project. If you get an opportunity, lead a small group project. Number 2, take responsibilities if something fails, not blaming others that it's your fault, it's your fault, and it's your fault. Number 3, celebrate team wins more than your own. Definitely, by following these 3 steps, by the time you will improve your leadership skills. Let's talk about number 4 skills that you need to master, and that is problem solving. Now what does it mean by the problem solving? Problem solving means it's your ability to identify the issues, analyzing the common causes, and then generate the solutions. And from all those solutions, you need to find out which is more efficient and more easy to implement. So that's way of finding this best solution. Now how you can improve that problem solving skills? Number 1, if you have any problem, big problem, just try to divide that big problem into the multiple steps or multiple parts. Number 2, solving puzzles or a real life challenges. Number 3, ask why 4 to 5 times. It means again and again asking 4 to 5 times that until you reach the root cause of any specific problem. Just try to start with your home. If you get any opportunity and if you have any conflict in your conversation, if you have any conflict in something understanding, just try to resolve it by asking the simple question that why. Okay, so by the time you gradually improve that skill, that is problem solving. Let's talk about the final skill that you need to master, that is the skill of the moment, adaptability. Now what does that mean by the adaptability? Adaptability means it is your capacity. It's your capacity of adjustment. Now adjustment about what? With behavior, with new condition, with situation that is unfamiliar for you. That is the adjustment. That is the adaptability. Now how you can improve that adaptability? Number 1, learn one new tool or one skill every month. Number 2, be open to feedback and change. Be open. Number three, step out of your comfort zone. So number three step you must need to implement, that step out of your comfort zone. Because if you step out of your comfort zone, try to enter in that real world, you will definitely master the art. Now, by implementing all these steps, you will see the change in your personality. And that person, that student who is preparing, who is learning different tools, just grabbing the technical activity, just technical knowledge, he will get their job. And you too, by implementing all this learning. I hope this video find you very great and informative. If you like the content, subscribe for your personal growth. Till then,